In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert JPG to PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Before we start, make sure you have Adobe Acrobat Pro installed and the JPG image you want to convert saved somewhere you can easily find, like your desktop or a dedicated images folder. Converting a JPG to a PDF is helpful when you need a document that's easier to share, print, or preserve with consistent formatting. Go ahead and launch Adobe Acrobat on your device. You don't need to open any existing document for this process. Starting from the home screen is perfect. If your app opens a recent file automatically, just close it so you're looking at the main Acrobat interface. On the left side, find the option labeled See All Tools. Click that to open the full list of Acrobat features. From there, select Create a PDF. This tool is designed to take files like images and quickly turn them into a high-quality, shareable PDF while keeping the image crisp and intact. In the Create a PDF window, choose Single File. This tells Acrobat we're converting just one image right now. Then click Select a File. A file browser will pop up. Navigate to where your JPG is stored, select the image, and click Open. If you don't immediately see your picture, double-check the folder, confirm the file type is JPG or JPEG, and make sure your view isn't filtered to a different extension. With your image selected, click the blue Create button. Acrobat will convert the image into a PDF instantly. Depending on the size and resolution of your JPG, this might take a second, but it's usually very fast. After conversion, you'll see the PDF open in Acrobat. Take a quick look to ensure the image looks correct. If the orientation isn't what you expected, or you notice margins you'd like to adjust later, you can fine-tune those using Acrobat's editing tools after saving. When you're happy with the result, go to File, then Save As. Choose a folder you'll remember. Give the file a clear name, something descriptive so it's easy to find later, and click Save. That's it. You now have a PDF version of your JPG ready to share or print. As a quick tip, if you plan to convert multiple images in the future, Acrobat also offers options to work with more than one file. But today, we focused on converting a single image to keep things simple. If your PDF ends up larger than you'd like, you can use Acrobat's optimization features later to reduce file size without heavily impacting quality. Thanks for watching. With these steps, you can reliably convert any JPG into a professional, portable PDF in just a few clicks.